What's going on? What's going on?
He has been claiming to be blind. He's a phantom. He's a criminal. He has been insulting money from the people here.
That's not thief. He dropped 20 naira.
Wait. Look at
carry 200. He knows say me carry 50. Hey, Oga, come. Okay, no verse. This man blind.
Yes, I'm blind.
But he say this man put 20 naira.
Asa with my
200. Okay, look at.
Look, he has been claiming to be blind. He has been insulting money from people. He says wrong.
Are you blind?
Asa blind, I don't see.
My friend,
Are you ready to know?
I the crazy one go write them.
Okay, wait.
Who write?
Wait.
He's a thief.
He said this man.
A thief.
Your money.
I swear to God, I say with my 2 koro.